Time is the one thing money cannot buy back. You can earn more money. You can find better opportunities. You can rebuild after losses. But the time you did not invest those years in your 20s and 30s, when compound interest could have been working for you around the clock, that time is gone, and it took something with it. Most people find out about the power of investing early when it is already late. They hear the stories, they see the numbers, that they understand intellectually that a dollar invested at 22 is worth far more than a dollar invested at 42, and they feel it, that quiet sting of what could have been, what should have been, if only someone had told them sooner. Well, someone is telling you now. Here is what compound interest actually means. It means your money makes money, and then that money makes money, and then that money makes money, over and over, year after year, without you doing anything, without you showing up, without you trading another hour of your life for it. The wealthy do not just earn money, they put money to work. And the longer that money works, the more unstoppable it becomes. Let's make it real. If you invest $500 a month starting at age 22, and your investments grow at an average of 8% per year, by the time you are 62, you will have over $1.7 million. You contributed $240,000 out of pocket. The rest, over $1.4 million, was built by time, by compound interest, doing what it does when you let it run. Now, run the same math starting at age 32. Same $500 a month, same 8% return. By 62, you have around $750,000, less than half. Same money, same rate, just 10 years later. That 10-year gap costs you nearly $1 million, not because you invested less, not because you made worse decisions, just because you waited. That is the power of time in investing, and that is what most people never understand until it is too late to go back. Now here is the thing I need you to hear. You cannot go back. Whatever time has already passed is gone. Grieving it does not change it, but you still have right now. And right now today is the youngest you will ever be again. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Not next month when you feel more ready. Not after the credit card is paid off. Not when the market looks safer. Today. Because the same math that punished the person who waited 10 years, that same math rewards the person who starts today instead of 6 months from now. Every month you wait is compounding in reverse. Every month you start is compounding in your favor. You do not need a lot of money to start. You need consistency. $20 a month is better than zero. $50 is better than 20. The amount matters less than the habit. Because the habit is what scales. The habit is what you build on. The habit is what turns into something that outlasts you. And that is the real goal here. Not just wealth for yourself. Wealth that outlasts you. Wealth that your children inherit. Wealth that your grandchildren build on top of. That is what generational wealth actually looks like. Not one big score, not one lucky investment. A habit started early, maintained consistently, and allowed to compound over decades. The families that have had money for generations did not get it all at once. They built it in layers, slowly, patiently, with a long view that most people are too impatient to hold. You are not starting too late, but you are starting at exactly the right time, which is right now. Open the account. Make the first contribution. Start small if you have to, but start. Because 20 years from now, you will either look back and be grateful you did, or you will look back and wish you had. The world is yours. Let's get it.